Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with RE/MAX up in Big Bear, and welcome to our April 2025 real estate market update for our Big Bear area. So today we're going to be diving into April's data based on listings as of April 30th, 2025, covering 50 sold properties this month. So let's jump into a quick overview. April sales this month, 50 homes sold, ranging from $300,000 to just under $2 million, including single-family homes and condos in areas like Big Bear Lake, Big Bear City, and Moonridge. The prices span from $300,000 for a home at 208 Murrock Drive, all the way up to $1,985,000 for a Lakeview property at 38969 North Bay Road. The days on market varied from 0 to 306, showing diverse buyer behavior. Price segment highlights in the $300,000 to $400,000 range, we saw 3 sales. A 912 square foot home at again 208 Murrock Drive for $300,000, which was 97% of its $309,000 list price, and sold in just 75 days. Then a condo at 41764 Brownie Lane sold for $320,000, and that was at 98.4% of its $325,000 list price, and sold in 172 days. These sales show that buyers are negotiating for value in this segment. In the $400,000 to $600,000 range, 3 homes sold at their full asking price. One was a 1,428 square foot home at 1055 Cienega Drive in Big Bear Lake, and sold for $525,000 in just 14 days, highlighting strong demand for well-priced homes in desired areas. The $600,000 to $800,000 range was the most active, with 9 sales. A 1,260 square foot home at 39194 Chinkapin Road sold for $635,000 in just 1 day, while a 2,280 square foot home at 469 Catalina Road sold for $750,000 in 0 days. However, some homes like this one at 421 Northern Cross Drive sold for $602,500 after 306 days, showing price reductions after longer market times. In the $800,000 to $1 million range, a 3,888 square foot home just sold at 248 Oriole and sold for $800,000 in, again, 0 days, reflecting demand for modern homes. Above $1 million, 6 luxury sales included a 3,043 square foot Lakeview home at 38969 North Bay Road for $1,985,000 after 142 days, the highest sale this month. So what are our key trends? The $600,000 to $800,000 range led activity with quick sales for well-priced homes in areas like Moonridge. Lower-priced homes saw more negotiation, averaging around 96 to 98% of list price. Luxury homes often sold below asking after longer days on market, except for unique properties. Newer homes, like those in Eagle Point, sold fast at full price, showing buyer preference for modern features. April 2025 shows a vibrant Big Bear market with strong mid-range activity. Buyers seek value while sellers seek competitive pricing to move quickly, especially in luxury segments. If you're looking to buy or sell, contact me. Again, I'm Rachael Smith with RE/MAX up here in Big Bear. Give me a call. Talk to you soon. Bye.